Did you know you can make $120 a day printing custom hoodies? You gotta purchase blank hoodies for $5.99 each and orders of 15. You can get the best blank apparel prices on our vendor list at tricitywholesale.com. Next, you're gonna purchase 10 feet roll of HTV for only $15. Then you're gonna cut 15 12 by 10 sheets. Next, you're gonna use crew cut to cut each image 11.5 by 9. Once it's finished cutting, you're gonna weed the excess vinyl from around the image. Now you're gonna preheat the hoodie for 3 seconds to remove the moisture. Then you're gonna place image 3 inches below the collar. You're gonna press it on 285 degrees for 21 seconds. For best results, wait 10 seconds before peeling. Now cover with a Teflon sheet and press for another 5 seconds. This will give it more of a screen printed look. You're gonna charge local business owners $15 of hoodies, minimum orders of 15.